Dear friends, in this session, we'll discuss on Small Industries Development Bank of India, which is famously known as SIDBI. Small Industries Development Bank of India is a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBA, that is Industrial Development Bank of India, which is established under the Special Act of Parliament in 1988, which became operative from April 2nd, 1990. SIDBI was made responsible for administering Small Industries Development Fund and National Equity Fund that were administered by IDBA before. SIDBI is the primary functional institution for promoting, developing, and financing MSMEs, which are known as micro, small, and medium enterprises sector. Besides focusing on the development of the micro, small, and medium enterprise sector, SIDBI also promotes cleaner production and energy efficiency. SIDBI helps MSMEs in acquiring the funds they require to grow, market, develop, and commercialize the technologies and innovate the products. The bank provides several schemes and also offer financial services and products for meeting the individual requirements of various businesses. Financial facilities offered by SIDBI are as follows. That is through facilitates to customers like direct finance, indirect finance, or through microfinance. Direct finance is SIDBI offers working capital assistance, term loan assistance, foreign currency loans, support against receivables, equity support, energy saving schemes for the MSME sector, etc., under its various direct finance loan scheme. Indirect finance, SIDBI offers indirect assistance by providing refinance to primary lending institutions, which are known as PLIs, comprising of banks, state-level financial institutions, etc. With an extensive branch network across the country, the key objective of the refinancing scheme is to raise the resource position of primary lending institutions that would ultimately enable the flow of credit to the MSME sectors. Microfinance, Small Industries Development Bank of India offers microfinance to small businessmen and entrepreneurs for establishing the business. So let's understand the functions of the SIDBI. SIDBI helps in refinancing loans and resource assistance. Small Industries Development Bank of India refinances loans that are extended by the primary lending institutions to the small scale industrial units and also offer resource assistance to them. It's discounting of bills. The SIDBI also discounts and rediscounts the bills for the entrepreneurs. Expanding marketing channels for small scale industries. It also helps in expanding marketing channels for the products of SSCs sectors, both in the domestic as well as in the industrial market. It offers the services like factoring, leasing, etc. to the industrial concern in the small scale sector. It promotes employment-oriented industries, particularly in semi-urban areas, for creating employment opportunities and thus checking the relocation of people to the urban areas. It also initiates the steps for modernization and technological upgradation of current units. It also enables the timely flow of credit for working capital as well as term loans to small-scale industries in cooperation with commercial banks. It also cooperates state-level venture funds. It also co-promotes the state-level venture funds. Let's understand what are the benefits of SIDBI. Custom-made SIDBI policies loans as per the requirements of your businesses. If your requirement doesn't fall into the ordinary and usual category, SIDBI would assist in funding you in the right way. Dedicated size. Credit and loans are modified as per the size of the business. So MSMEs could avail different types of loans custom made for suiting their business requirements. Attractive interest. It has a tie-up with several banks and financial institutions over the world and could offer concessional interest rate. The SIDBI has tie-ups with the World Bank and the Japan International Cooperative Agencies also. assistance. It does not just provide a loan, it also offers assistance and much required advice. Its relationship managers assist the entrepreneurs in making the right decisions and offering assistance till the loan process ends. Security free. Business person could get up to rupees 100 lakh without providing any security. Capital growth. Without tempering the ownership of a company, the entrepreneurs could acquire adequate capital for meeting their growth requirements. Equity and venture funding. It has a subsidiary known as SIDBI, Venture Capital Limited, which is wholly owned, that offers growth capital as equity through venture capital funds that focuses on MSMEs only. Subsidies. SIDBI offers various schemes which have concessional interest rates and comfortable terms. SIDBI has in-depth knowledge and wider understanding of the schemes and loans available and could help enterprises in making the best decision for their businesses. Transparency. Its process and the rate structure are transparent. There are not any hidden charges. This is the direct finance scheme of SIDBI, which has been taken from online for educational purpose. You can see what are the loan schemes SIDBI has, what is the loan amount they provide, minimum and maximum limits, loan tenure, and eligibility criteria for this. The same has been included in your study material also. You can refer there as well. How to apply for loan through SIDBI? First step, recognized consultants empaneled with the SIDBI would prepare the documents needed. Depending on the requirements and information specified by the MSMEs, the consultants would prepare a basic information memorandum. This document would include all the information related to the rating agencies and the banks. In the step 2, the basic information memorandum is approved by MSME entrepreneur. The accredited consultants would then submit the basic information memorandum to Small Industries Development Bank of India. Step 3, in case required, the proposal would be rated by the rating agency, which is approved by the RBI. If it is not required, the SIDBI would directly handle the below mentioned cases. That could be SIDBI would offer equity or quasi-equity to the existing units that are growth oriented, or the bank would finance units that are in the service sector, or it would offer credit to MSMEs for cleaner production processes and energy efficient. In step 5, for any other cases, the application for the loan would be submitted to the public sector banks. SIDBI has an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with the public sector banks for issuing loans, like our State Bank of India, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. All those are public sector bank which you can approach for getting any kind of loan under SIDBI assistance. This much about the SIDBI. I hope that you people have understood about Small Industries Development Bank of India, which is a very important concept for your examination as well as for your knowledge purpose. Thank you.